Hello again from Florida. This is Ichetucknee State Park. We just left Blue Hole. I got some footage of that. We kayaked a little bit on the Ichetucknee River, and that was a good experience, but a learning experience. We'll be back, but we'll be back smarter. Gorgeous day. We're having fun. And here we are at Ichetucknee State Park. This is at the main spring. Even got a food truck. Beautiful park to visit. Beautiful clear river and springs. Did a little kayaking, and what we learned is that the river is very narrow, and if there's a lot of traffic on it, you do not want to paddle upstream. So the next time we kayak here, we will only paddle downstream and have someone to catch us down there. So a learning experience, but a gorgeous river. And we had fun in spite of the abbreviated trip today. By the way, the launch at the main spring area closes at 2, which we did not know. And now you know, so you need to come in the morning. And here we are at the head spring of the Ichetucknee River. Absolutely gorgeous part of Florida. Let's see if we can get the springs and us. Kinda, sort of. Getting roughed up.